In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero how to reconcile personal funds deposited into a business bank account. 5 minutes. When you put your own money into the business, you want that deposit to be recorded as equity, not income. This keeps your profit accurate and shows clearly that the business owes you or that you've contributed capital. Let's walk through how to do that in Xero from start to finish. First, log into Xero, click the login button, enter your email and password, and complete any authentication prompts if asked. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct organization, then head to the dashboard. On the dashboard, find your business bank account tile and choose Reconcile items. You'll see your bank feed lines. Locate the specific deposit that came from your personal funds. Check the date and amount to be sure you've got the right one. Because this isn't a customer payment or an invoice, we're going to create a new receive money transaction against that bank line. On the right side of the line, click Create. In the form that opens, start with the Who field. Type your own name here. If Xero suggests a contact, select it or let Xero create a new contact with your name. This helps you track contributions by person over time. Next, in the Account field, select the equity code for owner funding, commonly called owner's contribution, owner's funds introduced, director's loan, or capital contributions, depending on your chart of accounts. If you're unsure which one applies to your business structure, check with your accountant. The key point is that this should not be coded to an income or sales account. Add a clear description in the Why field, such as personal funds deposited to cover business expenses or working capital contribution, so future you and your accountant know exactly what this was for. If your region uses tax rates on transactions, confirm the tax is set appropriately for equity movements, typically no tax or out of scope, according to local rules. Review the amount to ensure it matches the bank line, then click OK to reconcile. Xero will create the receive money transaction to the equity account and mark the bank line as reconciled. To double check, you can view the reconciled line under your bank account's account transactions or open your equity account to see the new contribution reflected. Keeping a brief note or supporting document is a good practice for audit trails and year-end review. That's it. You've accurately recorded a personal deposit as an owner contribution in Xero, keeping your books clean and your profit true.